Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vinyl cutters for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just getting started with crafting, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Cricut weeding tools for vinyl. This 30-piece kit is an excellent starting point for beginners who are diving into the world of vinyl crafting. It includes almost everything you need to work on intricate designs, such as tweezers, scrapers, scissors, a carving knife, and even a ruler. The ergonomic design ensures that the tools are user-friendly and suitable for both adults and children, making it a great family crafting kit. The upgraded packaging, which is slightly larger than A4 size, is not only easy to carry, but also great for cultivating good storage habits. In terms of design and build quality, the tools are crafted from premium, acid-free materials designed for durability. The tweezers and hooks are particularly effective at removing excess vinyl from intricate designs, which is an essential step in ensuring professional results. The lightweight nature of the kit, at just 9.9 ounces, makes it ideal for on-the-go crafting. However, this is primarily a weeding toolkit and lacks cutting functionality, so you'll need to pair it with a separate cutting machine for complete crafting capabilities. The Cricut kit offers excellent value for its versatility and the sheer number of tools included. It's perfect for adhesive vinyl projects, paper crafts, and even sewing. However, it's not a standalone vinyl cutter, which means you'll need additional equipment to complete your projects. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to get started with vinyl weeding, this kit is a great choice, but it's not an all-in-one solution. At number 4, we have the Famomat 23 PCS weeding tools for vinyl. This set is designed for versatility and includes essential tools like a carving knife, scissors, tweezers, and even a 12-inch paper cutter and trimmer. The paper cutter is a standout feature, equipped with angle measuring boards and centimeter-inch scales, making it ideal for cutting photos, cards, and more. Beginners will appreciate the straightforward, user-friendly design that makes it easy to trim materials with precision. The build quality of the Famomat set is solid, with most accessories made from stainless steel, ensuring resistance to corrosion and scratches. The paper cutter, in particular, is a highlight, offering precise cuts at multiple angles. The black zipper bag included in the kit is a thoughtful addition, providing an organized way to store all the tools. Weighing just 1.59 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry around, but still has a sturdy feel. This kit is perfect for beginners who want to experiment with vinyl crafting, scrapbooking, and even embossing. However, it's important to note that this is not a cutting machine. It's a tools kit designed to complement a vinyl cutter. While it's a great gift for craft enthusiasts and offers excellent value for the price, those seeking an all-in-one solution will need to look elsewhere. At number 3, we have the Cut-A-Swish Essential Bundle for Cricut makers and Explore Air models. This is truly an all-in-one crafting kit, offering a wide range of materials and tools to get we started. It includes 2 glitter HTVs, 5 HTV vinyls, 20 permanent adhesive vinyls, 3 transfer tapes, 7 weeding tools, and even a 13-inch paper cutter. The standout feature here is the LED light pad, which provides adjustable brightness to reduce eye strain and make weeding intricate designs much easier. The design and build quality are impressive. The vinyl materials are durable, easy to weed, and transfer seamlessly to a variety of surfaces. The tools, including the True Control knife and cutting mats, feel premium and allow for precise cuts. The paper cutter is a great addition, offering dual-directional cutting with replaceable blades. However, the kit is slightly heavy at 4.89 pounds, which may not be ideal for portability. This bundle is perfect for beginners who want a comprehensive solution to start crafting right away. It's compatible with Cricut machines, making it an excellent companion product. While it doesn't include a cutting machine itself, The variety of tools and materials makes it a great value for the price. The only downside is that it might be overwhelming for absolute beginners due to the sheer number of items included. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Convent All-in-One Accessories and Supplies Bundle for Cricut makers and Explore Air machines. This bundle includes everything you could possibly need for vinyl crafting: HTVs, permanent adhesive vinyls, transfer tapes, weeding tools, a paper cutter, a storage box, and even exclusive printable transfer papers. It's a complete solution for anyone looking to create unique designs on clothing, home decor, or custom gifts. The design and build quality are top-notch. The vinyl materials are fade-resistant, durable, and easy to work with. The paper cutter offers precise cuts with minimal waste, while the LED light pad reduces eye strain and makes weeding intricate designs a breeze. The inclusion of printable transfer paper is a unique feature, allowing you to print or draw custom designs and transfer them to fabric. At 5.28 pounds, this is a slightly heavier kit, but the sturdy storage box makes it easy to organize and transport. This bundle is ideal for beginners who want a professional-grade setup without having to purchase individual components. It's compatible with Cricut machines and offers excellent value for money. The only drawback is the higher price point, which might not suit those on a tight budget. However, the quality and variety of tools make it worth the investment for serious beginners. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Cricut Joy Xtra cutting machine. This is the ultimate vinyl cutting machine for beginners, combining ease of use with powerful functionality. The Cricut Joy Xtra can work with more than 50 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, making it incredibly versatile. It's also compatible with your home inkjet printer, allowing you to print and cut full-color designs with precision. Whether you want to cut intricate patterns, write, draw, or even foil, this machine can do it all. The design is compact and portable, measuring just 6 inches in depth and weighing a little over 5 pounds. The active surface area of 21 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters is perfect for most beginner projects, and the white plastic build feels sturdy yet sleek. The included Design Space app is intuitive and beginner-friendly, allowing you to upload your own designs or choose from the Cricut library. The precision of cuts is unparalleled, ensuring professional results every time. At $179, the Cricut Joy Xtra is an investment, but it offers tremendous value for money. It's perfect for beginners who want a reliable and versatile cutting machine that can handle a variety of projects. The only downside is that it's not bundled with additional tools or materials, so you'll need to purchase those separately. Overall, this is the best option for anyone looking to start their vinyl crafting journey with a high-quality cutting machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy crafting.